Everyone, I'm doing a special video on banishment for this 999 gateway energy. Today is a really good day to banish bad habits in preparation of the 999. This is a big day in numerology. It being September the 9th, 2016, 2 plus 1 plus 6 equals 9. So there you get your 999. Now we have our three chances. There's your 999, your 911, your 927. 927 equaling 9. Also, 999. So, with these gateways and portals, especially with the new moon and it being a retrograde, there's so much energy that you can use, you can harness for yourself especially right now, we need to banish this energy. We have been going through, like I've been telling everybody, 2016 has been the year of the purge. It has been literally purging. We've been purging everything from jobs to relationships to friends to even health. I've known more. I feel like more people have been sick this year than any time before I've even noticed. So this is a really good time to banish these old habits. These things that are keeping us from moving forward. And I feel like the universe is kind of giving us a break and saying, okay, I think you've had enough. 2015 and 2016 have been kind of like these big purge years for y'all. And we're going to give you a break. We're going to ask for you to make a wish and open a new chapter into your life. And I really feel like everybody's lives are going to start changing for the better. Starting September 11th, which I know for a lot of people is a very sensitive day, and I totally understand. It can be hard for a lot of people, especially if anybody who has known anybody in the 9/11 incidents. But I also feel that with that we can find a more positive way to honor the ones that passed. By creating such good, loving energy, much like the energy we felt during September 11th afterwards, when everybody was helping, everybody was gathering together to help each other out for cleanup, for looking for loved ones, sending food, sending love and cards of just encouragement. So I feel like we are capable of doing that now. So anyway, I digress. So what you'll need for this banishment spell is charcoal. So we're going to start with some charcoal. And I did this outside already. I kind of went through my own little private ceremony and banishing ceremony. But and I didn't want to record it live because I still wanted to keep things rather personal in between my own intention. So that's why my plate looks like the way it does, because I already used it. So what you'll need is charcoal. You can get this at your local witch shop. If you have that, herb shop, hippie shop, botanica, or you can also find these at your local head shop. So these are charcoal, and you can use these for burning incense and herbs and things like that, essential oils with it. So what I do is I start burning it from the bottom up, and then I'm able to sprinkle my herbs. So what you'll need is, like I said, is this charcoal, and you'll need banishing herbs. Whichever herbs that you feel comfortable with that are available to you. These were mine. I have rosemary. As you can see right here, I have some rosemary. And I have some in my garden, but they weren't dry yet, and I didn't want to use wet rosemary. So these are my dry rosemaries. And then I also use mullein leaf, which is also really good for banishing. And it kind of has like this really fluffy kind of hoppy looking thing to it. But those are really good. I sprinkled them on and I burned my charcoal and created incense. And what I did was I made out a list of all of the things that I wanted to release. For some people, it's, you know, like I said, 2016 was a very bad year, was a purge year, was kind of a purging year. So, like I said, I know a lot of people who were releasing relationships, long-term relationships they never really thought to see go away. I know for me, it was kind of in that personal aspect. There were certain relationships in my life that I was having to release. You know, you come to a point in your life where you're just like, you know, I'm tired of feeling this way. I'm tired of feeling like I'm being used. I feel like I deserve more than what I'm getting. I deserve to be loved the way that I'm giving the love. And that's really important. I know there was other people in my life who kind of felt the same way. So this is a really good releasing energy, releasing those bad negative feelings and saying, you know what, I'm forgiving the debt. I don't want to harbor this. I don't want to hold this grudge. I want to release it out into the universe and get rid of it once and for all. You can also release things like money troubles or financial issues, worrying and fear, bad habits, you know, addictions and things like that. Being able to just release that out into the universe. So you'll burn your incense and your herbs, and you'll just kind of reflect while those herbs and that smoke is rising. Preferably when the smoke starts going, you're going to want to let it rise and just reflect on all those really bad things that have happened to you probably within the past couple of years, and release that out into the universe and say, I don't want this burden anymore. I don't want it anymore. I don't want to think about it anymore. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I just want this I want these bad memories, these bad things to go away, and I no longer want them. You write them down on your list with black ink, and you just kind of reflect on it. Reflect on how it doesn't serve you, and how much better your life is going to be once those things are gone from you, and how much more enlightened you will be because you're able to release that off into the universe. And then you're going to take a white candle, and, you know, just a basic white candle. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It doesn't have to look like this. It could be smaller. And then you'll light up your white candle, and then you will say the following words. And I wrote them down. Oh, yeah, that's my list. And so then you'll write them down, and then you'll just kind of release them out. Okay, and so yeah, you'll just take it and you'll light up your candle and meditate. And I say meditate, meaning you're going to take more than 5 to 10 minutes of just relaxing and calming your mind and quieting your mind to where you don't think about anything at all. Not anything. And then you're going to take your list, and then you're going to ask affirmations to the universe. You're going to release every single one of them out. If you have to take a moment and rant about it and cry about it, do it, because that is your release of your intention to the universe. That's you crying out to the universe. I do not want this anymore. I want it released from me. It does not serve any purpose for me. And like I said, if you gotta cry, scream, yell. This is the time to do it, because if your intention is to get rid of it, get rid of it. Get rid of all of that anger and fear and frustrations. And then you're going to have your lit candle up, and then you're going to take your list and burn it. You're going to burn it. You'll take it, you'll fold it up and just burn it. I would prefer if you do it outside because, you know, you don't want to have, you know, flames and stuff in your house and possibly start a fire, all that. So I would recommend you doing this outside because you are going to be lighting something up. So you'll go and just write them down. And if you want to write it down and be detailed and you want to name names because nobody's going to read them. And you're just going to release it out to the universe. And it just shows more of your intention. Like, whatever it is that you need to do to release it, release it. And then, like I said, burn it up. Burn your list up. And watch all of these problems and all of these things disappear. It's going to be a great feeling. You're going to feel amazing afterwards. Take that time to meditate some more if you need to. And, of course, you know, then, like I said, on September 11th, September 11th, then I will be back with a manifestation spell. And this is going to be a good time for you to, because what you're going to do is you're going to affirm this. You can affirm this every single day by waking up and saying, I'm releasing all of these problems. I'm releasing this energy. I don't want it in my life anymore. I'm just releasing it. And tomorrow, reflect on it. Breathe. Take a couple of days to kind of just breathe and take some quiet time for yourself and just relax. And then on September 11th, then I will show you how to do a manifestation spell. And this one's going to help you open the door to abundance in your life. It's almost kind of like a little extra added insurance that things will start going well for you for a while. And I know for a lot of you guys have been struggling, and I feel it, and it's been pretty bad. But I have a really good feeling right now that we're about to get a good break from it, and something great is going to happen. So we're going to prepare for it. And I want that for everybody because I think we all deserve a little break right now, especially in 2016. So I will see you on Sunday, and I will have a new video for you. All right. Talk to you again. Love you. Bye.